Copy of temporary tag.
Good.
Charlie Mike Bravo 6340. It's a red Nitro seen leaving the it's got a white male driver. Kind of took off a little fast when I pulled on the scene.
Good. That's showing negative inbound on a red color Dodge SUV. Convert to Justin Ryan Aldridge out of Palm Coast.
Okay, he's stopping in front of 1241 Killarney.
Yeah, that's the vehicle that apparently the neighbor's now saying that she saw leaving location. I'm gonna give you the channel. Showing us emergency traffic.
Put your hands out the window! Put both hands out the window now! Both hands! Keep them where I can see them. What were you doing behind that house down there? Shut the keys off. Shut the engine off. Shut the engine off. Put the keys on the roof of the car. Put the keys on the roof of the car. Who are you doing work for? Aggie who? Aggie Inc.? Who is that? Okay, put your hands on the steering wheel. What are you reaching under the seat for? Why were you reaching under the seat? Keep your hands on the steering wheel for me. Both hands on the steering wheel. Man, you're sweating bullets. Neighbors are calling in, said saw you walking around that house. And the alarm went off. And the alarm went off. Why did the alarm go off? Why did the alarm go off?
That's when I got out.
When you got out of the house? So you go through the window.
You go through the window, and if the alarm goes off, that's the first time it's gone off, so I came out.
That's not normal.
It is normal. No, the alarm's not normal. They're supposed to have the alarm off at 8 in the morning. I got all my tools in the back. I mean, that's
What do you do? Well, the house that you were in, they spoke to the homeowner and there's nobody supposed to be there. Any chance you were in the wrong house? No. Keep your hands on the steering wheel where I can see them. Gonna go pressure wash the house, and then what you do when you pressure wash the house is you basically go through the window to get in the house. Okay, I don't believe that. I've been doing this for 22 years, and I've never heard that story before. Okay, well that's not normal. So stay in the car, keep your hands on the steering wheel. I can see them. All right. What were you reaching under the seat for?
bro.
Okay, that's what we're going to do. We're going to detain you. We're going to go over the house. What's the misunderstanding? You crawled through somebody's window to pressure clean their house?
I'm telling you, that's what we do. I'm telling you. I do. Listen, guys, we do.
Hey, what's the name of the homeowner that you're supposed to be painting the house?
Aggie, I don't know.
Aggie?
I don't know. I work for Aggie.
Yeah, he was reaching under the seat and doing all kinds of crazy stuff.
There was no reaching under any seats.
Oh, here we go, right there. Oh, pry, look at that right there. Look at that pry mark right there. All right, so he does have some tools. All right. This is going to be our victim's property right here. All antique stuff. This is all